Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Ping Zapper to reduce your lag in games. Okay, so first we need to download Ping Zapper. Okay, we're gonna click here and download app. Okay, so and then just set up it. Okay, I have set up it already, so I will use it. Okay, now okay, so now I have this email. It's already activated. I have 4 days left. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to take 7 days for free. Okay, now go to Pingzapper and try for free. Now you need to type here the username. Okay, I'm gonna type username and the email. I have this email for test. Okay, so yeah, here it is. Okay, at gmail.com. Here's the password. I will choose any password. And I'm not a robot. Okay, mountains or hill. Okay, here it is. Okay, and now join now. Okay, it's talking, so I will join. Okay, now join now. Okay, now I have made the account. Now I need to confirm the email. Okay, here it is. Now confirm my account. Okay, let's go. Now I need my 7 free days, so I need to create an account on steam site. So yeah, okay, now create an account, and here write your mail address, copy it and write here. Okay, I'm from Egypt, so I will leave it. Skills. Okay, now verify. Yeah, I'm DotA. I'm 13 years of age. Okay, continue. Now we need to verify that the email is ours. So okay, now email verified. Okay, now okay, game zone 2021. Okay, it's open. So okay, I'll choose this. Yeah, password. So any password. And all is good. Okay, done. Okay, now let's go back to Pingzapper and active. Now you need to write here your Steam username. Okay, this is what I use. Password, the password you entered and sign in. Okay, and now it's activated. So yeah, now you have 7 free days. Okay, let's go here. So I'll change this email from here. Press setting, username, yeah, and the password, and save setting. Okay, now I have 7 days. Yeah, so it's activated, and now I have 7 days. Okay, now let's come to know how to add the game. Okay, so okay, I'll delete this game. Tibia, delete. Yes, I need to delete. So add the game. Click here to search. Okay, Tibia, and next. Now you need to find the exe of it. Yeah, here it is. The exe. Okay, now enter. Next. Now choose the server. So if you play on US server, so you need US server. If you play on Europe server, you will need an European server. Okay, so I play in European server, so I will choose the lowest ping here. So France one is the lowest one, so I choose it. Okay, now save to France. Now finish. Okay, and now it's all done. Now we need just to open the Ping Zapper. Okay, now launch the game from here. Yes, launch the game. Now waiting for connection. So you just need to enter your account and you will and it will connect to the server. Okay. So let's try with you guys. Sorry for the waiting time. Okay. Yeah, here it is. Okay, I'll time my password for this game. So my account here. Okay, let's go now. Game tunnel via France one. Okay, so it's connected to the server. Yeah, now no lags. Okay, let's go now. You can try with this with any game. Here is the list of the games. So now it will disconnect from the server because I close the game. Okay, so you can add World of Warcraft, Final Fantasy, Guild Wars, mini games, and you can also add custom game if you can find the game here. So custom game and select the launch file here, same. So TCP, yeah, leave it TCP, and like what we do in the bare. That was our video today. Hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Goodbye.